Rome, Italy, reigns as the best travel destination in the world, captivating the hearts and imaginations of travelers with its irresistible blend of history, culture, and beauty. The city's rich tapestry of history unravels as you wander through its ancient streets, adorned with architectural marvels like the Colosseum, Roman Forum, and Pantheon. Each step takes you closer to the grandeur of the past, immersing you in the stories of emperors and gladiators. Art lovers are spellbound by Rome's artistic treasures, from the breathtaking frescoes of the Sistine Chapel to the masterpieces in the Vatican museums and the awe-inspiring sculptures of Bernini. Rome's culinary scene is a gastronomic delight, offering delectable pasta, pizza, and gelato. Traditional trattorias and bustling food markets beckon with authentic flavors and local delights. The Vatican City, a spiritual and cultural center, unveils its treasures with St. Peter's Basilica and the Vatican Museums, allowing visitors to witness the grandeur of religious art and architecture. With its charming streets, vibrant piazzas, and a sense of timelessness in the air, Rome promises an unforgettable journey into the heart of Western civilization. Prepare to be enamored by its beauty, culture, and the sheer magnificence that makes Rome the best travel destination in the world. Rome, Italy, Rome.